It has been 12 going on 13 days since my last upload. That is crazy. Guys, I want to say I'm sorry. First and foremost, what am I doing? What have I been doing? Bro, 13 days after I said I'm coming back? Pause. After I said I'm firing back? And this is what I do to y'all? I'm 4 videos in and I just go on another 2-week vacation. Well, I ain't going no vacation, but bruh, 12 going on 13 days, no video? I'm sorry, dog. I'm sorry, bro. I've been working on Zosh MFG, trying to find more ways to be an active bag chaser. You feel me? A lot has happened in 2 weeks, bruh. Like, a lot, but I'm not stressing it, obviously. We'll talk more about that. But that ain't, hey, you clicked on this video because you read the title and you ready for me to expose the gatekeeping secret. So we go, you can shut up, bitch. Oh my God. We gonna hop right up in that, alright? But before we continue, I have a Discord. Link down below to join the Discord in case you want to get that popping, locking, and dropping up in the chats in there. It's been cool. I had a Discord for like a couple years now, maybe like 2 years, but now I have my cuzzo revamp everything for me. So now we're more active over there. So if you want to, be in tune with your boy, if you don't follow me on the gram, join up on the Discord and get in touch with the community. Whoa. Do not touch the community. Do not do that. Why do we say get in touch? Tap in, bro. Just tap in. So fast forward a week and a half, I think maybe now 2 weeks ago, or maybe it's a week ago, I had posted a reel on Instagram showing some calipers that I bought like 2 years ago prior. I just hit refreshed them with new ones because one was leaking. I had a whole saga on my brake system. Bruh, it was trash, bruh. Trash. I made a reel about like how you can get a big brake kit for your car for cheap, and that created this whole thing of Zosh's exposing stuff. He's finna make the price go up. The gatekeepers are mad in the bruh. It was like this huge diabolical fiasco of me showing that I picked up some reman calipers to go big brake kit on my 8th Gen Civic for less than what people are charging to do it. And I figured, why not add fuel to the fire and let's save some people some money. Now look, I am not here to take money from anybody's pockets, bro. That is not the goal, the sort, bro, that's some straight up devious, hater style, Satanist type stuff, bro. I'm here to save y'all money and doing it in a way where it's efficient. Alright, that's what I've been doing this for years on my YouTube channel, comparing different automotive companies to whatever. Like, I've always tried to get down to like what's the best bang for your buck, and that's actually really good. Like, it's really good. And this ain't no different. I don't give a damn who you are, bro. I don't care. I am gonna put my people on. That's what I'm here to do. And if you don't like it, you could shut the fuck up. I don't know. So what you see here is the infamous TLS big brake kit Brembo upgrade that all 8th gens do. This is the way to do it. If you want to go big brakes on your car, you pick up the big brake kit, whether you're buying it from DC5 Creations or whether you're buying it from, there's another company called Velocity Race Solutions, Velocity Auto Solutions. About 2 years ago, I ended up buying a DC5 Creations brake kit from the homie Schaefer. Now, he had won that through a giveaway and was giving me a deal on those calipers. Cool. I wanted to go big brake kit. DC5 Creations kit is complete bolt-on, as every kit is complete bolt-on, but his was like where you don't have to drill out the spindle. He already does the service right there for you. Boom, bam, babtastic. Perfect. This is dope. This is dope. Big brake kit, I ain't gotta use no shimmies, no jimmies, none of that. It just a bolt right on. Cool. Now, the issue I was having was when I got the calipers off Schaefer, I slapped them on the car, and then Randy came over and we started the bleeding process. And as you know with Hondas, when you start the bleeding process, you start from the farthest from the master cylinder, which would be the rear passenger side. And then you go rear driver side, then you go front passenger side, then front driver side. That's just the sequence of bleeding your brakes, right? Cool. We start the bleeding process and we hear a noise like it's weird. Like, we're not building any pedal pressure. It's like, what the hell's going on? So we checked all the lines, and we go to the front passenger caliper, and it's leaking. And I'm like, what the hell? We ain't even touch it. So then we get in contact with DC5 Creations. He somehow blames Randy for the whole kit leaking. Whatever. I understand how he could probably blame that. Apparently, when you're an automotive YouTuber and you amass a following, everyone thinks you don't know what you're doing. You're not obviously showcasing that I've been doing this for 10 years and I've done my own motor swaps, I probably know more automotive stuff about cars than people that run companies, right? Not throwing shade at him, because I'm sure he knows a lot, but I'm saying the general thing is, like, if something goes wrong on a YouTuber's car and they did it, then they don't know what they're doing and they should just hire mechanics and blah, 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 blah.
Shut up, bitch! Oh my God!
It's brakes, bruh. It's brakes. Like, you should know if you're over tightening something, bruh. Like, if you feel it getting tight, you don't need to keep making it tighter. Like, that's just common sense, right? I had made a video showcasing my tribulations, because as a YouTuber, this is my bread and butter. This is what I do, and stuff happens, bruh. Like, stuff literally happens. It's okay. Like, it's okay. Stuff happens. So after I posted the video, I guess I got posted in this RSX group page, and they were just like, bro, they were going in on the whole video, like, see, even Zosh has problems with DC5 Creation stuff. And I'm like, bruh, like, first off, I didn't directly buy from him, but then again, right, it's his product and they were brand new, but then again, I didn't buy it off of him. So it's like if somebody buy a Zosh MFG fuel rail and they wanted it in a giveaway and they decided to sell it, the person who bought it was probably going to contact me, and it's like, well, I'm going to make it right. And that's what DV from DC5 Creations did. He sent me out another kit. And then once I got the new kit, passenger side caliper was fine. Now the driver side caliper, when we started the bleeding process again, it's pissing. The seals are pissing. So I took off both calipers, sent them back to him. Then he sent me another set. And again, I had a strip bleeder issue. I was like, bro, what is going on? What's going on? I had a track day, like, fast approaching. And I'm like, bruh, what the hell is going on? I ended up saying screw it. I went on the 8th gen time attack page on Facebook, and I was like, yo, where can I, like, just asking issue, like, I asked a question in there. I'm gonna probably post like a hella screenshots on this video of everything. It was just like, what could I do? And then the guy reached out to me. He's like, bro, just get some AutoZone remans. I was like, huh? He's like, yeah, just get the AutoZone TLS Brembo brake remans. 2 years ago, I made a story on Instagram actually picking up these remans. And I guess no one really knew what they were, like what you can buy with, I don't know. But apparently my reel that released 2 weeks ago or a week ago created this huge thing on the internet, I guess. Well, on the automotive section of big brake kits and everything. So yeah, these are AutoZone remanufactured Brembo calipers. Now, of course, we gotta talk price. Here's the part numbers. So it's 97B01022B. Now replace this B with an A, and that'll be your driver's side or your passenger side. I can't really remember, but all the part numbers the same. It's just you gotta go from A and B. When I made the Instagram reel, I talked about the price to get these. Bro, if you want to go to AutoZone and you have a shop account number, even if you don't have a shop account number, priced at like $78 a piece. That's with a core. But if not, they're like $130 a piece without the core. Or you can go to rockauto.com and pick them up for $77, no core needed. But the thing with that is, if you order from a parts store, you get limited lifetime warranty. Limited lifetime warranty. Yeah, so as a business owner, and you sell these kits for upwards of $1,000 plus, you'd probably be mad that I say that you can go TLS you can go big brake kit for cheaper. I'd understand that. However, let's break it down. Aside from the whole backstory, you want to go big brake kit on your RSX, your S2000, your 8th gen Civic, or your 9th gen Civic, and you don't want to spend the boatloads of cash and all that stuff to go with a big brake kit that'll work. And this is track proven. I've tracked my car on the AutoZone reman calipers, and I had no issues. I had no issues in it. The one issue I did have is when I decided to add back a brake booster, because I was running the Home Development's brake booster delete. added a brake booster, and then I guess a seal of one of the calipers like bust. I don't know, maybe the pressure? I have no idea. But I replaced it because I have lifetime warranty, and that's one of the hugest selling points. When you buy the remans, you get warranty. But if you buy a reman from a DC5 Creations or whatever, I forgot the other name. There's no warranty in that. That's it. Like obviously if you buy them and like they're leaking on default, then you know, if the customer service there, they're gonna replace it, obviously. But let's say a year down the road it happened, then you have to bite the bullet and order another set of calipers. Dude, bro, that's a lot of money when you could just drill out your knuckles with a 9/16 drill bit, and then you can run those calipers all day, any day. I never truly understood the whole plug and play situation because everything's plug and play. With the TLS Brembos, yes, you don't have to drill out your knuckles, but if you do drill your knuckles, then it's plug and play. You get what I'm saying? Like, I never understood that whole thing because with drilling your knuckles, it's actually much safer to drill the knuckles than to have Brembos modify to run your factory bolts, because then you're using a, nutsert on the inside? What if you're driving and somehow, God forbid, that nutsert either breaks loose or something could happen to where it's a liability and you could seriously hurt yourself on the track, or if you're driving on the highway or something like that. There's a high probability of that not happening, but I would rather drill out my knuckles than do that. Now again, I'm not bashing anyone, but for me, and what makes sense for me, is just drilling out the knuckle and just running a factory TLS Brembo without the modification service. There's no shaving of the ears or anything of that nature, creating a weak point. Not saying that it is creating a weak point, but if you shave material off anything, it's getting weaker. You're shaving material off something, it's getting weaker. So for me, when I had to make the decision to buy the remans and then buy the aerogenics kit, it only made sense. Let's get into the pricing of everything, all right? Because I know that's what you're here for. Like, damn, I want to go big break kit, I want to spend money. I got you, bro. I'm sorry I was babbling on. I got you. Like I stated, you can get reman calipers from your local AutoZone with a core for under $100 per side. That's with core price. Without core, I believe it's like $129 a piece. In order to run the calipers, you need a 9/16 drill bit to drill out your knuckle. That's the easiest thing about it all. You're just making a hole bigger that's already there so you can run a bigger bolt. You're going to need rotors. Now, what I recommend is the Aerogenics TL Brembo kit. That's what I'm running right now. It comes with rotors. It comes with the rotor spacer shim thingy majig, and the rotors are quality. Bro, I've tracked on this thing for 2 years. Daily drive for 2 years and they're still good. That kit alone, I believe is like I think it's like $360 or $390. I have it on the screen, I can't remember. You'll need brake pads. You can get your brake pads from AutoZone, wherever you get your brake pads from. You can get them on Amazon if you want the carbon metallic ceramic or what have you. It is required. It is not required, but I think you'll be doing yourself a disservice if you didn't. And this requires for everybody who sells the kit. It's recommended you do the TLS brake master cylinder. If you're gonna run TLS Brembos, the stock HN Civic is not going to pump out enough fluid to really get that brake and pedal feel as you would if you were to buy or invest into the TLS master cylinder. The brake master cylinder on Rock Auto, that's gonna run you like 60 bucks, and it comes with the reservoir. It's like 60 or 70 bucks for that. And again, you don't have to, but I think it's recommended if you are gonna like track your car, do some spirited driving, get some stainless steel brake lines. Again, not necessarily needed, but it would be doing yourself another disservice if you don't get it. So that's gonna be like 100 bucks. But again, if you wanna just do the bare bones big brake kit for cheap, you need the Aerogenics kit, Brembos from Rock Auto or Advance Auto or AutoZone or O'Reilly. Any parts store should have a reman of the TLS caliper, Brembo caliper, and that's pretty much all you would need.
I also forgot to mention that you will need extended wheel studs for this kit as well.
So it will work on your S2000, it'll work on your RSX, it'll work on your 9th gen and your 8th gen. That's all I know that works so far. I'm not sure if it'll work on anything else, but oh, how could I forget? If you don't want to buy the Aerogenics kit, you could just run S2000 rotors and it'll go right on. You don't need spacers, you can just put that thing right on, but you would have pad overhang. So the rotor is a little bit too small, so your brake pad will have some little slight overhang. It won't be completely on top of the rotor. There's people out there that run S2000 rotors with the Brembo kit and no issues. But again, if you're track driving and stuff like that, just get the Aerogenics kit. It's perfect, it's affordable, and you're not paying upwards of $1,000 plus for a big brake kit. And you're saving money in the long run, because if something fails on your Brembos and you got them bad boys powder coated and you got the whole service to where they just directs bolt on, you gotta pay for that again. That shit ain't cheap. Hey man, if you got the money, bruh, do what you gotta do. We're building on a budget, but we're also not cheaping out on anything either. And I don't wanna hear that bullshit about like, oh, well, those remans aren't good, because if they're not good, why do the companies that sell the big brake kit offers new calipers, but they're remans? So, I don't know. People just love to talk shit, I guess. For bare bones big brake kit, you're looking at under $700 to go big brake kit on your car. But if you want everything included, like the bells and whistles, like what I got, you're looking at probably like $900, which is still cheaper than what you can buy, and you get the guaranteed lifetime warranty, bro. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Anything with a lifetime warranty, you're not beating it unless it's shit. But if it's actually decent and it's good, bro, the fastest 8th gen and one of the fastest 8th gens in North America is running the same caliper setup I'm running. That says a lot. And one last thing before I go. Please do your research. Do your research. That is the most important advice I can give you. Make sure you read between lines. Make sure you truly read descriptions. Make sure you do your homework. Do not get scammed. Bro, do your research. I hope this video helped you out in every way possible. I hope you can go big brake kit on your setup for less than the crazy amounts of money with danger concerns than you could. What? Just do your homework, alright? That's all I'm gonna say. Do your homework. Make sure you're buying what you're buying. And again, I am not trying to take money from anybody's pocket with this video. I am trying to help people. I guess when you're in the business of helping people, you're looked at as bad. I don't care. Don't give a fuck. Use this information as you will. It's worked for me. It's worked for a crap ton of other people, and you don't have to run the dangers of something breaking on you and something bad happening because of it. Not saying that it has or whatever, but I'm just saying it's much safer to drill your caliper a little bit bigger than to put nut certs or time certs or whatever you want to call it into a caliper that's under a lot of pressure when braking in harsh conditions, as if you're on the racetrack and you have 500 or something horsepower and you're coming out of turn 5 and you're going down that back straight at 100 and something miles per hour and your caliper fails, or your brake line, which is not DOT approved, leaks on you and you go to brake and you don't brake and something bad happens to you. Guess who's at fault? And I guess I'll leave the video here. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Let's see what else I can uncover the gatekeeping truths in the industry. It's nobody's gatekeeping, bro. Like, this stuff's been out there for years, bro. I just have a platform and somehow people saw the video and it went crazy. So thank y'all for the engagements and stuff of that nature. I hope that video reel helped you guys, and I hope this video helps too, and more explain in depth of the process of what all you need to do it. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. I'm out. Peace.